There are lots of water refrigerator filters you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these water refrigerator filter are helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Everydrop by Whirlpool. The Everydrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1RXD1, is a high-quality, single-pack filter designed to ensure fresh, clean water and ice from your refrigerator. It reduces up to 28 contaminants, including lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and waterborne parasites, providing you and your family with safer drinking water. This filter is NSF certified, meeting stringent safety and quality standards for water filtration. The Everydrop filter is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, Jenn-Air, and Amana refrigerators, offering versatile use for different models. It has an easy installation process, taking just a few minutes to replace your existing filter. The filter is designed to be replaced every 6 months or after filtering 200 gallons of water to maintain optimal performance. The purple design indicates its compatibility with specific refrigerator models, making it easy to identify the right filter for your needs. Number 2. Samsung Genuine Filter. The Samsung Genuine Filter for refrigerator water and ice provides effective carbon block filtration, ensuring clean, clear drinking water for your household. Designed to reduce up to 99% of harmful contaminants, including chlorine, lead, and other chemicals, this filter promotes healthier hydration with every use. It is engineered specifically for Samsung refrigerators, guaranteeing compatibility and reliable performance. The filter has a lifespan of up to 6 months, delivering approximately 300 gallons of filtered water before needing replacement, depending on water quality and usage. The Halfkini XP filter is easy to install, requiring no specialized tools. Its efficient design ensures consistent water flow while maintaining excellent filtration quality, improving both the taste and smell of your drinking water. This filter also contributes to the overall maintenance of your refrigerator by preventing sediment buildup that could affect the appliance's performance. The single-pack option provides a cost-effective solution for maintaining clean water in your home, making it a practical choice for households that value safety and convenience in their daily drinking water. Number 3. GXWFE Refrigerator. The GXWFE Refrigerator Water Filter is a high-performance replacement filter designed to provide clean, great-tasting water. This genuine filter is certified to reduce lead, sulfur, and over 50 other harmful impurities, ensuring safer drinking water for you and your family. It offers advanced filtration technology that captures contaminants, improving the quality of your water, while maintaining essential minerals that are beneficial to health. Easy to install, the GXWFE filter fits most compatible GE refrigerators, and is designed for hassle-free replacement. For optimal results, it is recommended to replace the filter every 6 months, or after filtering up to 300 gallons of water. This helps ensure the continuous removal of contaminants, keeping your water fresh and clean over time. Whether you're using water for drinking, cooking, or making ice, this filter provides excellent performance, improving both the taste and safety of your water. With a convenient pack of one, it's a simple yet essential upgrade to maintain the quality of water from your refrigerator. Number 4. Frigidaire PTWFU01. The Frigidaire PTWFU01 water filtration filter provides clean, refreshing water for your home. Designed for use with Frigidaire refrigerators, this filter is efficient in removing impurities like lead, chlorine, and other contaminants that can affect water quality. By reducing these elements, it improves both the taste and odor of your drinking water and ice. Easy to install, this filter fits seamlessly into compatible refrigerator models and ensures a steady flow of filtered water. It is recommended to replace the filter every 6 months or after filtering 200 gallons of water, whichever comes first, to maintain optimal performance. With a simple push and twist design, replacing the filter requires no tools and only takes a few minutes. Certified by NSF ANSI standards, the Frigidaire PTWFU01 guarantees effective filtration, making it a reliable choice for families looking to ensure their water is safe and clean. This one-count package offers convenience, giving you one filter that lasts for months, contributing to both household health and convenience. Number 5. Waterdrop EDR4RXD1. The Waterdrop EDR4RXD1 water filter is designed to be compatible with a variety of popular refrigerator models, including Everydrop Filter 4, Whirlpool UKF 8001, Maytag UKF 8001 AXX200, and others. This filter provides a cost-effective alternative to the original filters, while maintaining high-quality performance. It is engineered to reduce contaminants and impurities in your drinking water, ensuring that you get clean and fresh-tasting water every time. The filter is also compatible with models such as 4,396,395 and UKF 8001 AXX750, among others. Each package contains 3 filters, giving you extended usage and convenience. Note that packaging may vary. With its easy installation process, you can quickly replace your old filter and enjoy improved water quality without the hassle. The Waterdrop EDR4RX D1 is a reliable choice for maintaining the optimal performance of your refrigerator's water filtration system.